That's awesome. And then the ceiling on this one actually doesn't look that bad either, like I have in my previous video. So yeah, let's just crack on and get her going. So I started to take the headliner off because I most likely need to do that. And look at all of the screws. This thing's not going anywhere. All right, there it is. Just like that. She's open to the elements. Look at this shit. Look at that. All the way down. That's crazy.
And this freaking...
Holy shit. So we have this done. It's stapled down with the new stapler and ready to be installed tomorrow. Not tonight, tomorrow. Now we've got everything ripped apart, which is pretty cool. Like I mentioned, I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. So I'm going to put the piece down tomorrow. I'm going to peel and silicone the edge, make sure it's watertight. Probably remove a lot of these screws, bend it back, make it look pretty, and then start to build the frame out. Check her out from the inside though. Pretty nice view. Probably one of like a million that actually goes this far. For the most part, I'm actually pretty blown away that I'm doing this. To be honest, I did not expect me to get heavily into this, but when I started recording these videos, one thing turned to the next, and here we are. So welcome to the journey. I don't know, we're gonna figure it out together. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Comment your questions. Peace.